Imagine you've just won a massive online jackpot. You're ecstatic, but then reality hits. How do you withdraw this money? Many online platforms offer Paysafe as a payment option, but how long does it take to get your winnings into your hands? Let's dive into the world of Paysafe and find out just how long you'll have to wait for your hard-earned cash. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a global payment service provider that offers a range of products, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and online payment solutions. It's a popular choice among online gamblers and shoppers due to its convenience and security. How does Paysafe work? To use Paysafe, you need to purchase a prepaid card or create an e-wallet. You can then use these to make online payments. It's a simple process that doesn't require you to share your personal banking information. Paysafe and online gambling. Paysafe is particularly popular in the online gambling industry. Many online casinos and sportsbooks accept Paysafe as a deposit and withdrawal method. This makes it easy for players to manage their funds and enjoy their favorite games. How long does it take to withdraw with Paysafe? The time it takes to withdraw funds using Paysafe can vary depending on several factors, including the specific online platform. Different platforms have different processing times. The amount you're withdrawing, larger withdrawals may take longer. The verification process. Some platforms may require additional verification before processing withdrawals. In general, you can expect Paysafe withdrawals to take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. However, it's always best to check the specific terms and conditions of the platform you're using for the most accurate information. Factors affecting Paysafe withdrawal times. Here are some factors that can influence Paysafe withdrawal times. Platform processing times. Some platforms are faster than others at processing withdrawals. Withdrawal amount. Larger withdrawals may take longer to process. Verification requirements. If the platform requires additional verification, it can add to the processing time. Bank processing times. Once the funds are released by the platform, they still need to be processed by your bank. This can add a few days to the overall time. Tips for faster Paysafe withdrawals. Here are some tips to help you expedite your Paysafe withdrawals. Verify your account. Ensure that your account is fully verified to avoid delays. Choose a fast platform. Opt for platforms known for their quick withdrawal times. Withdraw during business hours. Processing times may be faster during regular business hours. Contact customer support. If you're experiencing delays, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Paysafe versus other payment methods. How does Paysafe compare to other popular payment methods like credit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers? Let's take a look. Speed. Paysafe withdrawals can be faster than bank transfers but may take longer than some e-wallets. Security. Paysafe offers a secure payment environment, protecting your personal and financial information. Convenience. Paysafe is easy to use and doesn't require you to share your banking details. Fees. Some platforms may charge fees for Paysafe withdrawals. So, how long does Paysafe really last? The answer is, it depends. While Paysafe offers a convenient and secure payment method, the withdrawal time can vary depending on several factors. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can minimize delays and enjoy your winnings as quickly as possible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gambling.